My people, on a good day. Today, you get one special advice where I want to give my followers about how they take handle their laptops. You see, when you get laptop, immediately you buy a laptop. For the store where you buy the laptop, or if you visit any other engineer where you sabi, say he sabi in work, tell am say the hard disk, because some laptop they come with 500 GB hard disk, some laptop they come with 200 GB hard disk. So what you supposed to do, the first thing when you buy the laptop, before you even start to use the laptop, the first thing you supposed to do is to divide that hard disk into 3 parts. I repeat, is to divide that hard disk wey dey inside your laptop into 3 parts. Let's say your hard disk na 500 GB, as most laptops they come these days, 500 GB. So one part will be like 100 GB. That first part will contain the operating system Windows where you will use every day. When you on your laptop, the first thing you go see now Windows will load and you go start it. So that 100 GB will take the Windows. Remaining how many gigabyte? 400 GB. So if you carry 300 GB, take do one partition. Remember, we have the first partition, partition 1, which will carry your operating system. Then the second partition, 300 GB, which is partition 2. That partition will carry your data, all your files where you use, everything, your pictures, your videos, everything will be inside that partition 2, which is 300 GB. The last partition, which is the remaining 100 GB, you will leave them for recovery. I will explain that one later. So you see, the reason why you must divide your operating system into 3 parts be say any problem will happen to your system, because you know the operating system Windows dey for the first partition. Any problem will go handle, will go affect the system, whether virus or any other thing, and it will only affect the first partition. In 99% of the cases, it will only affect the first partition. So if you format, you no go fear to format your laptop, because if you format your laptop, the 2 other partitions go dey. Nothing will happen to the 2 other partitions. Now only the first partition, which they host your operating system, now it will dey formatted. You go see partition 2 and partition 3 will still dey after the format, and you will see say your files will dey intact. Nothing will happen to the files. And the last partition, why they tell you say now recovery partition, tell the engineer say wetin you want be say make the image of your operating system, make it copy and go the last partition as the recovery partition, because anything will happen to your system, you know, if you boot, you know, if you do anything, if they show black screen or anything, you fit still refer to the last partition, the image of the first partition, because all the softwares where you install for the first partition where you use, now the same image you go copy go the last partition as the recovery partition. So since you get that image, anytime, you don't even need to reformat your system, just tell the engineer, say, may you move to the last partition, your operating system dey there. Immediately he move it to recall all the softwares where dey the first partition. So that is how to handle your own laptop. No be to just dey use one partition for operating system, for data, for record. If anything happen, you go see say you no go fit recover your files. For the next lecture, we will explain further how you will take handle your laptop. Thank you very much.